6.2.1 is about, as I made a mention, is about perspective and strategic planning and its effective deployment. Now we are talking about those 5 years which are complete and the college is going for the process of NAC. So after completion of the first cycle and to the progression or to the completion of the second cycle, those 5 years are being counted out. Has the IQAC along with the college prepared a perspective plan? When a perspective plan is being prepared, it is not alone that the IQAC is going to prepare it, nor is it alone that the principal is going to prepare it. Any perspective plan is to be created along with the management of the organization. Primarily because the management is going to spend its resources, time and money on the organization. It is for this reason that the organization must know and the governance must know, the top governance must know in which areas are we going to contribute, and therefore IQAC is definitely involved in preparing the perspective plan. Principal is definitely involved in preparation of the perspective plan, but the management must be involved in preparation of the perspective plan. Then and then the perspective plan succeeds. Now, how to do a perspective plan? There are two ways by which perspective planning can be done. One is a traditional way. NAC has 7 criteria. In criteria 1, we are going to go for so and so. In criteria 2, so and so. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You list out the criteria, you list out the areas, you start working on them. Make a plan as to which a component is possibly going to be completed in which quarter of the year or in which part of the year. And in this way we can work it out. The second aspect happens to be really very fantastic. One of the colleges in Kolkata had come out with this perspective plan. I liked it very much. What they made a mention is that we are going to construct one building. The minute you say you are going to construct a building, the next part, why are we constructing a building? So that we can run some courses. What are the courses going to offer? The courses are going to offer some new education. It would mean that point number 1, new construction. Point number 2, along with construction, new classrooms. New classrooms, more infrastructure. More infrastructure, new courses. New courses, more teachers. More teachers, more infrastructure. More laboratories, more computers. And all this was quantified very fantastically. And therefore perspective planning can be put up in words in 2 ways, and it can be effectively achieved in these 2 ways. The organization needs to think as to how the perspective plan is to be written, and without a management support, no perspective plan should be created. I wish to share one view. I am onto one of the IQACs of one of the colleges. One of the members of the management asked a question to the IQAC, what is your 5-year plan? The IQAC coordinator was quiet because she could not say anything about it. Now, how do I convince them that the management needs to be a part of the perspective plan? So in that meeting I just made a mention saying that, sir, I was associated with one of the organizations in one of the MNCs in Pune, and when I was talking to the top level management, they said that this year we are going to prepare so many thousand television sets. That would mean that in the current month something like 5,000 television sets are to be prepared. So the top level management guided the middle management that this month we want 5000 television sets. After 2 months it is Diwali. The expected sale is going to be 20,000 television sets. So we need to see to it that 5000 television sets are prepared in this year, 5000 television sets are prepared the next month, and so by the end of the third month, when the Diwali is actually going to begin, by that time we will be in a position to put on the accelerator and see to it that another 6000 television sets are prepared, and we have a surplus of 5000 already in the market, so 20,000 television sets can be sold. Now what did the middle level management take the message? If 5000 is the target that has been told to me, it would mean that I must instruct the lower level management to see to it that 8000 television sets are prepared. Now why 8000 television sets? Because they know that the middle level management, when it is going to stress upon the lower level management, there is going to be some problem. There were some labor related issues and many more things to go on. So 5000, by the time it reached the table where the television sets are being prepared, it was 9000. Looking at the structure of the organization, looking at the thought process that the organization has, the targets of the higher level management were achieved by the lowest level of management by creating 6000 television sets per month. Now here the vision, the mission, the thought process, everything starts counting out. And therefore the role of management really plays a very big role, because when the people from the management and people from the organization are going to set up targets, they know their people very well, and therefore a perspective plan must be prepared with the help of all the stakeholders. The second aspect is, what is it that we want that needs to be analyzed first? What kind of courses are needed in the market? What kind of types do we need to go for? There are some ITIs in, for example, in Pune, which are associated with one of the motorcycle companies. They have made a mention saying that now this ITI will be working to see to it that the motorcycle companies work better. So we will be training our people in this particular aspect. And therefore, this kind of association is going to give a better advantage to the student later on, which needs to be considered in the perspective plan. And therefore, perspective plan is a very important step. It must be done, it must be followed, it must be broken down into steps: first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and the final year, so that it is represented very well.